Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another video on App Guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download and sign up for your StockX account. So StockX is basically an app that is the safest and fastest way to get ahead with buying different forms of sneakers or different electronic gadgets or any other materials that you're in requirement of. So if you'd like to download this app and sign up for the account, first of all head over to your App Store. And on your App Store, on the bottom right corner, you can see the search icon. There, as you land on the search icon, tap on the search bar and type in StockX. As you type in StockX, you land on an interface like this. When you see an app like this, tap on the download button in order to start downloading. After the app gets downloaded, tap on the open button and wait for all the processings to complete and the app to completely load for you. So currently I'm just waiting for the app to finish uploading so that I'm led towards an interface where I'll be able to create an account. App loads, I will land on an interface that looks like this. So here you can see different options related to sneakers, streetwear, electronics, traditions, etc. There on the bottom right corner you can see a profile icon. Tap on the profile icon and then tap on the sign up button. After you tap on the sign up button, you will now be directed towards an interface where you'll have to enter certain credentials. Now in order to sign up, you can either continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, Twitter, or you can start entering your first name. So because this is more convenient for me, I'm just going to type in my first name over here, my last name over here, and then also enter my email address. Make sure that you type in the correct email address to verify yourself, and then type in your password. Here the information related to your password is given, so make sure that you follow the rules and then set up a password for your account. After doing this, tap on the agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and then tap on the sign up button. After you tap on the sign up button, wait for a certain while until you're directed back towards the same interface. And there now when you go, you'll be able to see that you'll have to choose your interest. So I'm just going to choose some of my interests over here and then tap on finish. Then tap on done on the top right corner. So now when I go to my profile, I'll be able to see something that comes along the line with this. So this means that my account has been able to be set up. I hope that this video has helped you sign up for your own StockX account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and please hit that bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.